Thank you. Alright everybody, welcome back to QueenBrittneyTv. You are here with the girl. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, so let me address something real quick. Now, I posted my last video right here, as you all can see, and I had a few comments of people, you know, telling me that it was budding, it was hair mama. I gotta use something to play with. So yeah, a lot of people were commenting on my video, my last video, pretty much trying to tell me what was wrong with my hair. But the purpose of that video was pretty much to talk about like the buildup that I was experiencing and how big my parts were. Like, I already know what budding is supposed to be, but I didn't like how big it was already. So that's why I took it out, okay? So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click on it and let me know what you think. But I'm gonna try not to keep coming to you all with my hair problems, but that's what this one is about also. So as y'all all seen about my scalp, we're having a little problem. So what I did pick up from Walmart was this product. Can y'all see? It is the Palmer's, what does it say? Natural Fusions DIY Cocktail Kit. I mainly went for tea tree oil, but I couldn't find it. I had a big bottle that I recall purchasing from Walmart, but I couldn't find it anymore. I probably have to go to a different one. But yes, this packaging comes with eucalyptus oil, tea tree, and Jamaican castor oil. So I remember the last time I had this problem with my scalp, before I was locked, I remember using tea tree oil. Now I don't remember the concoction I used, but we'll figure it out together, okay? So what I do like is this medicated spray. Sulfur 8 medicated spray. You hear that? It's empty because it worked. Get you some. This right here, Sulfur 8 medicated. What are you doing? Okay. Thank you. You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. See you later. You can get in the tub when it cool down. Okay. So what I was using, you know, all the like people say use rose water, use the Wild Grow. That's not helping my scalp. My scalp is itching, okay? What am I supposed to be using, okay? I'm not a loctician. I'm not gonna come out here and act like I know what I'm doing. I need help and no one's helping me. So we're gonna figure it out together. This right here, I like this. So what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna try this out for a week and I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel. I'm gonna just spray right here at the top, just get a little moisture. Okay. And I like using this Wild Grow oil because it's lighter than the one in the white bottle. Meow, can I have this? So I'm not gonna use too much tea tree oil because that's strong. Okay. Strong. I don't even know what eucalyptus smells like. I don't think I'm gonna put in Jamaican black castor oil because that's like too thick and I don't want. Woo! This smells like cough medicine. How much I got in here? Okay, so we got a little bit in here. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the dropper and I'm going to drop a few drops in my scalp. My mom says I shouldn't, you know, do this at night because it just soaks up. But girl, my scalp be itching. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go get me a bigger bottle, but this is the size. What is this? 10 milliliters, 0.33 fluid ounces. And they come with a dropper in the kit. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my scalp, just a little bit. Cause my scalp is itching, like really bad. Y'all seen what it looked like. Let me know what y'all use if y'all have this problem as well. Please let me know. So on it, it says that tea tree oil refreshes and detoxifies scalp. Ooh, eucalyptus soothes scalp itch. I need to be using eucalyptus oil. So I think what I'm gonna do, this little bit that's in here, I think I'm going to do this. this much in oil. Y'all see that? Okay, I'm gonna just drop that in there. And then I'm gonna get the other eucalyptus oil. Open that up. Get the same. Stop! Put a little bit in there. Ooh, that's my eye! Ooh. Mama, please don't knock that over. And I think that's all I'm gonna put in. And we're gonna do that at night. Ooh, that stuff's strong. At night and in the morning. And see how that turns out for my scalp. Stop it, stop it. But yeah, so right now, this is what my scalp looks like on day one. We're gonna come back in the morning and see how my scalp is doing. We're gonna give you an update, okay? Be back. Well, we're not gonna do it for, you know, a week. We'll do it for 3 days. But I promise you, all my other videos, we're gonna be flourishing. But right now, I'm having a problem, okay? See y'all tomorrow. What is this, y'all? So, I don't know why I thought this was okay, but I tried to flick my edges with this, which is really some good edge control, but y'all probably like, well, why make your hair look like that? I think I have scalp psoriasis. I think that's what it is. So, in the process of trying to heal my condition and fix it, I wouldn't recommend using edge control of some sorts. So yeah, this is how flaky it is. I'm just gonna use my favorite Sulfur 8 just to kind of moisturize it a little bit. I need to get some more. So once you do that, it's on point, so you gotta keep it moisturized. But I'm gonna take my red tail comb and kind of like scrape it out a little bit. Not scratch it, because I was scratching it just to try to pick up some of the skin, some of the flakes. I really think it's the gel that my hairstylist issues on my head that allow me to have this problem, because every time I get my hair done, it's always itching. So I really think it's a combination of, one, it being a tight style. So you know when you get your hair freshly done and you just it's because it's like pulling your scalp. So I really think that's the problem I'm having right now. It was from it being too tight. And then whatever she used and put me under the dryer made it really dry. So we're just gonna still do this. Ooh, don't get that in your eye. We're gonna still. Ooh, it's tingling. Just keep it moisturized. And I've been meeting a lot of people who say they don't use oil. How? Please leave down below what you all use for your scalp, because mine is itching. Or if you have psoriasis, what you use. But I will say the concoction that I did make worked. It really did work. But I would say you should like wait a while before you try to use I guess some edge control, because edge control really can affect your hair. So yeah, so this is, we don't have any flakes going on. Very mentholy. So yeah, that's what we have going on right now, y'all. And yeah, so I don't know what's the main trigger, but I'm just trying out this one to see. So I didn't really have too bad of flare-ups until I started using that edge control. So I don't think I'm gonna use it until after I get like my hair actually washed and, you know, treated. But it's not really flaky. As y'all can see, it's really moisturized. I just have to stay on keeping my hair moisturized. I do have one of those scalps that if it does get dry, you will notice it. And try not to itch it. Y'all see I have some peeling right here. Let me see if I can focus it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a scab right here. Like scaly. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I just picked up my scalp off my scalp. Ooh. So that's what I was trying to do. If I put the oil in, like kind of go in and pick up some scalp. I just probably need my hair washed at this point. Putting all this extra stuff in here. And I am due for a hair appointment. So if y'all did watch my last video, I will say don't. Make sure you tell your stylist not to use that black gel if you have sensitive scalp like me, because it makes your hair dry. And I will say, if you do have psoriasis, tea tree oil is what it does relieve it. You just have to stay on top. Don't just think, oh, my hair not flaking, so I'm not gonna moisturize it. You have to stay on it, okay? So sulfur-8, get you some sulfur-8 medicated. And don't try your hardest not to scratch it, because that causes flares. Now, like I said, I am not a loctician, I am not a loc professional, and I'm not an OG loc lord, okay? But I'm just a regular queen who's having some scalp problems and is trying to share tips, because every time I ask y'all, y'all can't help me. So if y'all want to help your girl, leave down below some great oils to use that can help you girl. Okay? Alright, we'll be back.